So today we'll be discussing about algo trading. We'll be discussing about some of the concepts, what which has worked, how we can optimize that. We have been testing with different parameters with the algo, and we'll try to find out what could be the best parameters. And also, a lot of people have shared their feedback in the group. Also, in the algo trading, we got some insights that what strategy has worked. In the meanwhile, we'll invite Mr. Ajit for this discussion on algo. Hello, good evening, Ajit. How are you?
Yeah, very good evening, MBG.
Oh, sorry.
Thanks for inviting. It's my pleasure. Mm,
Yeah,
uh,
yeah. A very good evening, Ajit. And also it's nice to see you live. And thank you for coming online and sharing your
yeah,
experiences. So basically, the main intention of discussion is that we are
yeah.
trying to optimize the parameters on straddles and triangles, and we are seeing the feedback. Even you have shared a very good feedback about whatever the input parameters. How did you experience this and all? Feel free to
Mm.
share your thoughts on how did you find the software, or how did you find the input parameters which worked for you, which did not work. How what are your experiences?
Okay. First of all, I will start with the equity. In fact, honestly, I was just blindly following some parameters like fall from the high. I was giving it a wrong parameters. Initially, I was not getting the result, and then one day I posted the same thing in the group, and I think you supported me to change some few parameters. Basically, this trade I used to I liked it when you introduced it because I used to do this manually in Zerodha. I used to go and find which was the thing which was rising 5% above in the last trading day, and then the same principle, whichever goes up has to come down. And I used to see the same thing in today's session, like in the opening, and
Mhm.
I used to give parameters with BO order,
Mhm.
and then I used to get good results. And the only thing was it was cumbersome. Every day I have to select, then I have to put the BO orders, and few used to. So when you introduced this, I was very happy because it was matching my style, and it had lot of parameters. The only thing was I was getting a little bit confused with the parameters, and once the parameters got adjusted, I'm very candid to say that on a average I'm making 2000 to 2500 rupees if it is a good day.
Great. Okay.
But one thing I advise is don't come out of the trade in between. That is the uh, psychology part what you also taught. You should be a little bit patient, and once you gain the momentum, now that you are making a little bit of money, even if it is whatever is the case, by the end of the day, at least trade till 1:30 to 2 o'clock. That's my advice. It is giving good result today also.
Okay.
In between 12 to 1, it was approximately 400 rupees was making loss. And if I when I saw by 2 o'clock, it was decent, 1500 plus. So the
Okay.
same parameters I'm using, MB, and no change. I'm not inventing the wheel again.
Okay.
With same thing
So the
I'm
capital engaged is Ajit, as it's the same. 1 lakh for 1 lakh
one.
you're getting.
Yeah, I am engaging 80,000
Oh, great.
for.
Like, just to give an idea for those who are watching out new, this is an input parameter for equity algo strategy. So, like in this, we have created five different input like filters. Like one is, let's say, price filters. Like, say you want to trade a stock which is trading in between 400 to 5,000. So this is like a price filter for the stocks. And second is fall from open. Let's say if the let's say if the stock has gapped up and suddenly it falls 1% or more, then this stock will be skipped for trading, because usually what happens is some stocks they gap up and suddenly they fall, so we lose the opportunity to make money. So because of that, we added this, and then we want to trade only five stocks. We don't want to trade for multiple stocks, so that our risk will equally diversified. So these were the parameters, Ajit. So you can go on.
Yeah. I am keeping the lower band has 400 and upper has 500, 4,000.
Okay.
This is one, and rest of the parameters what you have shown is the same. Target I am keeping 3,000,
Okay.
and stop loss I am keeping it as 2,500.
Great, great. So how was your experience with the algo? So, like when you're running the system, like
Yeah.
did you find it complex to use, or is it comfortable to use,
So it
or
is very, very simple. It is,
okay,
in fact, with the help of our Vishnu,
yeah,
because I'm also putting the trade in the cloud.
okay,
So it is very, very easy. Even if your laptop is switched off, my trade is running always.
oh great, okay,
And the good thing is the algo is see you may not be finding making money all the days. See, it's a game of probability. So even if your winning streak is 3 days out of 5 days, still you're not losing in
correct.
3 to 4 days.
How do you monitor it? You do you monitor with mobile app, or how is it?
Yeah, you can also monitor with mobile,
Okay,
or generally, morning I put the trade and I shut the system, and I monitor basically on the mobile app only.
okay,
And you can either go to there is no requirement for you to go and see it in the algo, because all these trades are seen in your broker terminal itself. So you will be knowing where the trade. And my advice is don't go and see always, maybe once in an hour or something like that. That will be okay, so that you are in the trade, but also emotionally
yeah.
detached to it.
Yes, that's really great input, Ajit. So whatever you have shared with respect to the algo, and I really appreciate your feedback, Ajit. And thank you very much for coming online. And do you have some suggestions or feedbacks? Feel free to ask about that.
There are many good things wherein it can be done in algo, and since you are giving it in a good price, I think it will be really good for people who are working professionals who wants to trade, and they want to have minimal interaction with the broker terminal. I think it will be great. As of now, you people are doing a wonderful thing. I think please continue it.
Yeah, thank you, Ajit. Thank you for your feedback, and also thank you for sharing and coming online, also being a part of our community. Because in the community, we are learning. Everybody is learning to make money, right? We are trying to share the best experiences, and we are trying to bring the experiences from people, and we are trying to compile it. So whatever the experiences or learning, whatever we got, definitely we'll be adding here, and we'll be mentioning in this group. So I'll just share you some of the experiences what we have been collecting from the people discussion, right? Even like in the Telegram channel, right, we have this community. We have two different algos. One is for intraday equity, another is for straddles and triangles, right? So basically what we are doing in this community is that we're trying to give you that confidence that how the system works, what are the parameters it suits for that particular algo, what are the input parameters, and then along with that you can also share what is the view. Let's say if someone who is trading the algo, and if you face challenges, right, in this group you can always feel free to ask any queries, because in this will be even like we'll be having Vishnu and our team members also. They will be guiding you whenever you face difficulty, and also it's an open community. You can always feel free to ask. And in this case what we have seen is that in the last couple of days, especially as Ajit is also mentioned, equity algo gave good results. Even some of our team members also shared, even Rajesh has also shared the trades from the equity algo. So, and also we came to know that, okay, this algo is consistent, but what are the parameters? Whether we have gone for, let's say, on gap up days, or whether we have gone for gap down days, or what were the parameters? We are fine tuning that. And then also about the intraday straddles and triangles, we have recorded some of the trades what we've done for last couple of days. We have seen that it was completely choppy market. So because of that, we faced some difficulty like stop loss was getting hit, and some people changed the stop loss as one of the feedback from Ajit, that if you go to 10:30 a.m., it was giving good results because in the morning time the market was choppy. So these are some of the fine tunes or you can do in the algo that will give a better results. And what we're doing here is that we are developing from the real traders experience, right? We are not bringing any product which is for marketing. This is for the trading experience, where we want to automate our trades, where we want to automate our strategies, right? So the main thing in the algo, what we are also improving now currently, is that it's a flexible input system, and even use this system can be run independently without any interference. So in this algo, right, so we have these two models. One is for this pricing is especially for members, and for the new members we charge like at least 10,000 including GST. For the like intraday options, straddles and strangles, for the equity we charge anywhere from 15,000, because like at least 3 to 4,000 will go to the GST for the government, we need to pay them. And then we have a tie with the like company of Vishnu, where we have to, most of the fees will go to him, because he has his developer teams and he need to pay for the salaries and rent. So that is one part. So why we have came up with this pricing for the members, because like we are not looking for profits, or we are not looking to like make money out of software. We are trying to build a system and to sustain the system, right? The main thing is that we want to run the system so that, let's assume now we have around close to 50 people. Maybe in the couple of months we can get 200 or 300 people, we don't know. So in that case we'll be having a lot of experiences or a lot of interaction between the traders, and along with that we'll also be having that community where they can share their views, so that you can combinedly get that same results what you can do. And also we have some very good traders in our community who are trading for intraday. That strategy can also be automated in the coming days, and it will be a community driven approach, right? So this is the main intention of keeping these prices low. And also we are not giving, let's say we are not forcing anyone to go like let's say there are some people who will give you the combined package, but what we're giving is, we're giving this intraday software at a lower price, because once you start using this, then you can get the confidence that you can make money. This system makes money. And if you try to follow this for maybe for a couple of weeks, if you get that confidence, then you can go for equity, right? So that confidence you'll be getting through our community in this. So I'm just sharing the link for someone who is interested or want to subscribe for this algo. And feel free to ask any queries or comments, whatever you have in your comment box. If you go to our YouTube channel, you can able to get a lot of videos related to the algo, where you can see what are the different case studies, how it has worked and all, right? So I highly recommend go through these modules, and you'll be learning a lot of things in our community. And feel free to ask any queries in the comment box, so thank you once again. And if there are any questions, please let me know. We'll try to end this. And thank you, Shiv. Thank you for your comments. And for all the people who are watching this, thank you very once again for being interactive and sharing your thoughts. If you want to know more about this product, check out the link in the description. And thank you for watching this video.